Sir, yung suspension ng Sandigan Bayan kay Senator Jigo, is it being implemented already?
Yes, the Senate President officially notified the Office of Senator Estrada that the suspension order issued by the Sandigan Bayan will be implemented or was implemented beginning Monday, June 22.
So suspended lang yung mga benefits.
So, anong,
Yes.
So,
Yes.
ano masususpend, sir, particularly?
Ang ano naman dun sa suspension is that he suspended from performing the functions of a Senator of the Republic.
Ay, kasama po yung pagiging senator judge. So,
Parang medyo substantive yung tanong mo, hindi ko na muna sasagutin.
ah,
No, but he suspended, no? He suspended as Senator of the Republic. And personally sa akin, then it goes with it that being a senator judge is also under indictment.
pagka po, sir, Pag suspended, sir, anong wala? At sweldo, benefits, ano pong wala?
Yeah, the salaries and benefits will have to be suspended because you're not allowed to perform your functions. Eh.
Pero yung office niya,
Yung office
I'll be submitting my recommendation to the Senate President regarding those matters when I go up to him later.
Pero paano ngayon, sir, yung opisina niya, kung suspended si Senator Jigoy, paano yung office niya po?
No, it's a suspension pendente lite, automatically lifted after 90 days, no? So the office is still there, no? The staff can still continue to function because at a certain point, the suspension will be lifted.
So, yung suspended yung boss pa,
Ha?
Can we know yung recommendation nyo kahit sa dalawa?
Wag muna, PSP muna.
pero sir, for 90 days, yung operational expenses ng office niya diretso.
Oh yes, because meron ka naman mga routine expenses like phone, etc. Di ba?
Sahod mo mga staff diretso.
I'll make my recommendation to the Senate President.
Sir, kasi may impending ulit na suspension if ever suspension of fifth litigation naman for another draft case. So another service na naman ng suspension if ever.
Premature for me to comment. Speculative pa.
Pero sir, yung pagboto hindi pa naman second.
Saan to?
Yung kasi di ba suspension, yung sa pagboto sa impeachment, hindi pa
Well,
na-second.
just like you, it's something na nababasa ko din sa mga news articles at napapanood sa TV.